Hello sparkly people, welcome back to my channel. I'm Vera Valentina, your favorite burlesque YouTuber, and on today's episode we are headed back to the craft table in my bedroom. Why do you ask? Because it's time to talk about pasties. We've done bras, we've done corsets, we've done skirts, but we have not done nip covers. It's time! We're gonna cover some pasties with some fabulous rhinestones today. You cannot strip down to your knickers and pasties without being super sparkly. It's like absolutely necessary. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I embellish these fabulous pasties, then go ahead and grab a drink, grab a glass. I got some crafting to do with that ass. Here we go. Let's get right into it. So the first things that you're gonna need are some pasty bases. I got these on Amazon for $9.99. Then we're gonna need some big ass rhinestones. These are sew-on rhinestones, but you'll notice that I am going to be gluing these on to the pasties. You'll also need some small-ass rhinestones, which were underneath that hand, but I did not show you. And of course, E6000 glue. Sponsor me. You might also need a pair of scissors and a little bit of black thread. I'm going to begin by working in small sections with my larger rhinestones and creating a nice pattern. Now, E6000 glue does not dry immediately, so you'll notice me adjusting the rhinestones and holding them in place until I get the pattern that I was looking for. Then I go ahead and match up the same pattern on the opposite pasty so that both of my boobs match. That's absolutely necessary. Shortly after placing those first 4 rhinestones, I realized that wasn't nearly enough sparkle, so I added a few more stones. Now, here comes the part I absolutely hate, but I know makes the pasties look absolutely fabulous. It's filling in all of the spaces between the larger stones with smaller stones. Filling in the spaces between the larger rhinestones with smaller rhinestones is really going to add texture, dimension, and sparkle to your pasties. Your pasties are the absolutely last thing that the audience sees before you leave the stage, so you want to dazzle them with all the sparkle that you've got going on. Ooh, yes, take it all in. Sparkle, glitter, glitz, glamour moment. Let's go ahead and do the other side. Look at these sparkly booby cover masterpieces. They are sparkly, they are shiny, they are ready to take on a big old stage. But we are not done yet. You see those tassels? Boom! We rhinestoned the top of those tassels. We can't just leave those tassels plain. When they twirl, I want them to shine. So I'm gonna go ahead and add one more little detail right underneath those black stones. I'm going to do a circle of clear stones just to tie the top of the pasty and the tassel together. When I tell you all that the devil is in the details, it really is. It's those small little touches that will take your costumes to the next level. Really think about that when you are designing your own burlesque costumes. Well, hot damn, look at that finished product. These pasties are giving me super expensive costume vibes. They're giving me Immodesty Blaze pasty vibes. They're giving me Dita Von Teese pasty vibes. They're giving me Medianoche pasty vibes. Ooh, babe. Now, aren't you glad you tuned into this rhinestone porn? Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Again, my name is Vera Valentina, your favorite burlesque YouTuber, giving you the best in burlesque, beauty, and booty. Comment down below what you want to see next. Thank you so much for watching.